Today I'm making garlic butter bread, and what we're going to do is I'm going to make garlic butter first and then put it inside the bread dough and then let it raise and then bake it, and it'll be garlic bread with cheese inside of it baked. First, what you need is 1 cup of butter, and we're going to cream it, 2 tablespoons of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of onion flakes, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 cup of shredded provolone or mozzarella cheese, whichever one you like. So first, we're going to put, like I said, the butter's in there and I creamed it a little bit. Then we're going to put the minced garlic in. Then we're going to put in the parsley and the onion flakes, dried onion flakes, regular black pepper. Then we're just going to cream this all together in the mixer. Okay, once we get all our butter creamed together, we're going to spread it on our dough. You can either make your own bread dough, enough for a loaf, or you can buy frozen dough and unthaw it, whichever you prefer. I do have a recipe for homemade bread in my recipe book on Amazon. It's called Mama's Desserts. It has a homemade recipe for bread dough. Or like I said, you can buy the frozen kind at the grocery store in the freezer section, unthaw it and make it that way. You just put a nice even spread all over it. Just like that. Then we're going to put our cup of cheese on. Spread it out the middle like that. Then we're just going to roll up our dough. Start on one edge. Tuck it in. Roll it. Tuck it. Keep rolling. Tucking it in like that. Roll it. Tuck it in. And we already have a loaf pan already sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. I use the butter flavored non-stick cooking spray. Give it a little extra butter on the outside of the loaf. See how that's nice and made? Fits right in your little loaf pan. We will wait for it to rise twice its size. Bake it on 350 for about 25 minutes. Our garlic butter cheesy bread is done and out of the oven. It was in there on 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.